Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at a serious heavy hitter in the hydration game. This is the uberBottle by 720 Degrees Dgree. This is the 1.5 liter version. That's a massive 50 ounces, and it features their signature soft touch finish. Oh, I like this. They've tucked a little 10% discount voucher right into the flap. And their customer service note gave me a laugh. It says, "Unhappy? Drugs do not solve problems. We do." Let's peel off the protective film from the lid. The spring-loaded cap has a secure locking latch, and it pops open with one satisfying click. If we unscrew the top, you'll see it comes with a built-in fruit infuser strainer. That's a huge plus for longevity. With this sturdy carry strap and huge capacity, this thing is built for the gym or a long hike. If you're looking for a bottle that feels as good as it looks, this might be it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear unboxings.